This is Chris Paul from the TJMS, running through the top stories in roughly 60 seconds with the Morning Minute. Donald Trump's wife is getting roasted after portions of her speech at yesterday's Republican convention were plagiarized from a speech Michelle Obama made in 2008. We should have known Melania Trump's speech was stolen after she thanked her writers, Pharrell Williams and Robin Thicke. Omarosa has a brand new job. The Apprentice star has been named the head of Donald Trump's African American Outreach Program, which basically means Donald wants Omarosa to recruit black Trump supporters. Well, I sure hope Donald isn't paying her by the Negro, because if so, Omarosa would make more money driving for Uber, because it's easier to find Pokemons than black Trump supporters. McDonald's is now blocking people from watching porn in their restaurants. McDonald's has long provided free Wi-Fi to its customers, but apparently a lot of people were watching X-rated content while eating. That's right, Big Macs and big breasts, nuggets and nakedness, French fries and fornication. But now McDonald's will block pornographic content from streaming on their Wi-Fi. Plus, all you dudes watching big girl porn will have to pay extra for supersizing. I'm Chris Paul, and this was the Morning Minute.